So this is the high voltage system of the new epower node. So where is the cooling fan? Right there. Why did they put this stupid fan in this horrible location? Oh boy. Oh yes, I hate them too. All right, so let's see. So we have a 1.54 kilowatt hour. So this battery is actually bigger when it comes to power, but the voltage is a little less. How come that? The other thing is, I'm going to take out, before touching anything over here, I'm going to take out the service plug grip. Thank you. Let me get you out of here. So we kind of know it's safe to work in this component now. So what I'm going to do is, we're going to clean the high voltage battery cooling fan. They didn't make it easy to be a serviceable component, so let's continue. The only thing I suppose I have to take out is the DC to DC converter, which is this one and this mounting in order to take out the battery cooling fan. So how is the cooling fan of the all new 2022 Nissan Note e-Power? Let's check it out. Is it dirty or not? The only way to find out, let's open it up. Just a second. There it is. Let me take it out. Show yourself. There it is. Look, it's not clean, you know. So the new Nissan Note e-Power uses a battery with a little more power and less voltage. And the cooling fan is actually smaller, but still with absolutely no filtering. I'm afraid that this cooling fan eventually will need some preventive maintenance as well if you want to prevent your high voltage battery from overheating and this fan losing efficiency. So there's nothing we can do. We're gonna have to clean it. So let's continue. Yep, this is how it is. Both pans from the sides of the battery, they're clean. The battery cooling fan is ready. It's time to assemble back. Hybrid Solution Diagnostics. Don't forget to follow if you like this content.